Hi, Deadlocks here again. Today I'm planning on escaping from the TCH 840. That's an 840B because it's black and it's prettier than the 840.
Which is why he's not playing with them.
When I've done the Hyats, I forgot to prove that I can make the Parker pick whilst in rigid cuffs. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to make the pick in the Hyats because I don't want to scratch the pretty black paint on my TCH cuffs.
I wish you would take that much care with my things and not ruin my things.
Clean my car.
You clean your car? You break it already? Jeremiah's dead now. Why'd you kill them all? Surely there's a better way of doing it where you're not. Oh, you dropped it. That's revenge for your murder. You have to be careful soon when videoing these videos not to drop things on the floor. Otherwise, a little puppy will come and get them. You don't.
And there's Parker pick made.
Something dropped.
It did.
Was
so now I'm going to get into TCH and get out of them with the Parker pick I just made in these rigid cuffs. Now I'm in the TCH 840s, double locks are on.
Didn't even introduce yourselves in this video, you know.
I did, I said. I had Deadlocks side.
I'm sure you didn't. Either way, carry on.
Yeah, if
I
I didn't.
will.
Yes, it'll be fine. Okay. This isn't going well. It's not going well.
It's not.
There
That
we
sounded.
go. That was it. That took some doing. And the triple pull, the bit that's meant to be hard, straight off.
Yay.
First time. So yeah, now I'll show you how I did it. Hopefully a lot faster than how I actually did it.
Be right back.
Okay, so this is how I did it. Not that I've made it look difficult or anything. It's kind of difficult in these ones. But I didn't practice all that much neither. If you slide your Parker pick in.
Because you have too many to choose from to learn how to do them properly. You have too many cuffs now.
I don't.
You do?
I don't.
How many have you got?
6.
Too many.
So you put your Parker pick in the side of the keyway there. Turn. And you need to give it a twist as well as the turn, and I've slid off it again.
Well, I'm excited to go back to work.
There we go.
I'm just glad I got one more day off.
Then, just like the Hyats, I don't know whether that video has actually happened yet or not, to be honest. Put it in the bottom of the keyway there, lean back to the side, and twist. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts because it's a triple pull, but there we go. It is open. And that is how I escaped.
That's quick.
It was quicker than when I was doing it with the cuffs on.
There's that.
Now I probably should have practiced that more, but I'll just call that a little bit more realistic.
It's not realistic at all.
It is.
It is not.
It is.
So how many people that have been kidnapped, right, have 6 sets of handcuffs in the house?
How many
and
people?
know that a Parker pen is going to free them.
12.
12, that's
12.
loads, isn't it?
Yeah. But now all the people who watch this video, if you happen to have a Parker pen, which you should, buy a Parker pen. We don't have stocks in Parker or anything.
Maybe we should get Parker to sponsor us.
To be fair, they should probably sponsor Coxie, not us.
Yeah. And then that could be a marketing thing for them. Not only just write beautifully, but you can escape from handcuffs. Dual usages.
Anyway, we don't actually have any sponsors,
No.
sadly.
Yeah.
But that's all from us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.